Okay, I think I've got everything down here now that I need for today's bit of work. Got my whacker plate, hammer, chisel, sand, cement, pointing builder's trowel. So what I'm going to start to do today is flattening this off properly. I'm going to start in that corner, get my whacker plate, spread the hardcore about, whacker plate it down and work my way this way, and hopefully I've got enough rubble now to finish this off. I left this piece of 6x2 on for quite a while because I didn't want to damage and chip this end, but it's getting to that point now where it needs to come off. Which is probably easier said than done. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to go to Tesco's. No, I'm not. I'm going to go to Amanda's for a coffee.
I'm going to go to Tesco's. No, I'm not. I'm going to Amanda's for a coffee.
I'm used to seeing the place to go, isn't it? I'm in Tesco.
So you're going to Tesco's at all? Get me something nice. Get me some Turkish delight or something.
I'm not going to Tesco.
Okay. Enjoy yourself. I'll be here.
Over while she's been clearing the thing out, you know.
I'll be here when you get back.
Are you going to tip this over then?
Yeah. As soon as I built that wall up there, I'm going to use that to fill in.
Will it be done today, yeah?
Yeah. It'll be ready today, I think, for concrete. I think so.
It's a bit hairy, it's concrete though, isn't it?
Yep.
Why can't that stay there?
Because it's wood, it'll rot.
Put that there, okay?
No, that was shuttering for that piece of concrete. It's got to come out now because concrete's going up to that. Oh yeah, we're pulling up trees now, we're getting somewhere. It turned cold for a minute until I started mixing that cement and I've suddenly warmed up a bit. Right, what I want to do, I want to use all them bricks I took out of that old footing the other day, last weekend, and I want to put another course of bricks on here, 4 inch down from that. If you can see there's a gap that I don't want the concrete pouring out, and I want a solid base for the new concrete block that I'm putting down to sit on. But it doesn't need to be anything fancy, it can be as rough as hell. I just need to fill that gap. I can even put them on the side, look. So what I'm doing, I'm leaving this beam in because this beam is helping to hold that shuttering on. So what I'm doing, every other course, I'm putting a decking screw in between these bricks here, like that, putting the other brick on, cementing up to that, so that when this cement goes off, that screw between there, when it's dry, will hold this shuttering on, and then I can take this piece out that's holding it all on, really. It's not the finest brickwork you've ever seen, but it doesn't need to be, because that my concrete base is going to lay on that. I'm just throwing my last couple of bags of hardcore down there. This is all fine stuff, this is like rubble and stuff, so I'm using this to fill in the edges. And that is my last 3 or 4 bags of hardcore rubble. But I'm going to save it until that course of bricks that I've put on has dried, because it's going to fill in them gaps there. Oh, why bother saving it? Why bother? I can always rake it out. Let's get them emptied. Let's get them emptied. Then it's done. Done. Right, that's me done for the day. So I've got that course of bricks all the way around. I've put the last bit of rubble down there now, but I'm not going to whacker plate that because I need that cement to go off. I need that to dry before I do that. So I'll probably get the whacker plate out again one night this week and get it all whackered off. Now, I think there is still a few low spots, but I have still got some of that original hardcore upstairs. I've got about, I don't know, a quarter of a ton left, so I can sort of pepper that about and where I've got any low spots. But I'm pretty happy to say that I think that's it with hardcore. I certainly don't think I'm going to have to collect any more in my van on the way home from work, because that's another job I won't have to do again. So yeah, right, I'm going to call it for the day. It's about, I ain't got my watch on, I take it off when I'm doing building, sand and cement, because I don't want me knacking my watch like. So anyway, that's it for today. I will probably see you again next week. Thanks for watching, thanks for all the brilliant comments. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever. Love all your comments. Oh, and I just noticed this other thing the other day called hype. You can give videos hype points. My son told me about it actually, because I didn't know what it was. I saw these things, these hype points, and you get, I think you get 3 hypes a week as a channel member, so you can hype your favourite videos and it helps them do well. For small channels from 1,000 to 500,000, as if 500,000 is a small channel, 500,000 subscribers. So me at 2,644, I think I'm on. I could do with a few hypes. So right, thanks a lot, I'll see you again, bye.